Ndewo. I'm saying thank you to all our subscribers and also to all our new subscribers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate email. Today's Igbo proverb, we're going to talk about a question posted by BBC News Igbo, and they want a complete answer for this Igbo proverb. So we're going to complete this Igbo proverb posted by BBC News Igbo. Elelie nwite. Elelie nwite. So, what's the proverb? Elelie nwite gbọnyụọ. Elelie nwite gbọnyụọ. What this Igbo proverb literally means is that when you overlook something little, it eventually becomes something big. So that's what you think is little, it eventually becomes something big. And when it does, it might be very dangerous or cause catastrophic to everything around it. So thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.